Hello students, so this is Pallav sir and today we'll do first 6 sums of question number 3 of exercise 14.2. So what we have to do in question number 3, we have to factorize the expressions. Now what is the first expression given in sum number 1? We have, just a minute. So we have ax square plus bx. Now we have to factorize this expression. Now just we have to carefully observe that in these two terms, is there any common factors are there? Yes, it is there. So x, you see, x is present in both the factors, in both the terms. So we'll take x as a common. Now if we take 1x from this term, then what will left inside? Ax will be left over. Now we'll give the plus sign. Now if we take x common, if we remove this x from the second term, what will left? Only b will left inside the bracket. So this is the required answer, students. So now let's move on to sum number 2. So what we have in sum number 2, we have 7p square plus 21q square. So again we'll see is there any common factor in both this term? So yes, 7. So we can divide 7 with 7 and 21 with 7 as well. So we'll take 7 as common. So once we take 7 as commons, what will left for the first term? Only p square will left. Okay, and from the second term, so what will be left inside the bracket? So if we divide 21 by 7, so answer will be 3q square. So this is the required answer of sum number 2 of question number 3. Now let's move on to sum number 3. So what we have in sum number 3? In sum number 3 we have 2x square, no, cube, 2x cube, then we have 2xy square, 2xy square, then we have 2xz square. Okay, so again we have to see that if there's any term common, 2 is common, so we'll take 2 as common, and also x is also present in all the terms, isn't it? So what is the lowest term of x? Is x only, so we'll take 2x as common. Now what will remain inside the bracket? Now from the first term, if we remove 2 and 1x, what will remain? Only x square will remain. Now if from the second term, if we remove 2 and x, what will remain? Only y square will remain. And from the third term, if we remove 2 and x, as because we have taken 2x as common, so only z square will remain inside the bracket. So this is the solution of sum number 3 of question number 3. Now let's see what is there in sum number 4. In sum number 4 we have am square plus bn square, isn't it? Now bn square plus an square. Now when you see that 4 terms are given, so what is the method? So from the first 2 terms we'll see is there any common factor or not, and the same thing we'll see with the last 2 terms as well. That means any common factor is there in between third term and the fourth term or not. So let's see for the first 2 term first. So you see that in the first term, sorry, this would be m square. So in the first term and the second term we have m square as common, so we'll take m square as common. So what will left inside the bracket? A plus b, isn't it? Only a plus b. Now if you check carefully for the third term and the fourth terms, we see that n square is common to both the terms. So we'll take n square as common, and what will left inside the bracket? B plus a. Now do you see that a plus b and b plus a are same? Absolutely same. Why? Because you see with b there is a positive sign, and with a also there is a positive sign, and in this bracket also a is having positive sign and b has no sign, means positive sign. So these 2 terms are absolutely same. So now we'll take a plus b as common. Now if we remove this a plus b from here, what will remain? Only m square will remain. And the same things, if we remove a plus b from here, only n square will remain. So this is the final answer of sum number 4 of question number 3. Now let's move on to sum number 5. So what we have in sum number 5, we have L plus L, and then we have we have m plus 1. We have m plus 1. Now we'll take common from these 2 terms. So what terms is common? Which factor is common? So L is common. So we'll take L, and what will left inside the bracket? M, and if you take L from L, what will remain? Only 1 will remain. Now there is no such factors which is common to m plus n except 1. So we'll take 1 as a common factor. Now what will remain inside the bracket? M plus 1 only. So now you see again m plus 1 both the same. So we'll take m plus 1 as common. So if we remove m plus 1 from here, what will remain? Only L. So we'll write L plus, and if we remove m plus 1 from the second term, what will remain? Plus 1. So this is the required answer of sum number 5, students. Now let's see what is sum number 6. So in 6 we have y plus z, then plus 9 y plus z. So this question is very easy, as you already see that y plus z and y plus z is common to both the terms. So we'll straight away take y plus z as common. We'll put it inside the bracket. Again we'll give bracket. Now if we remove y plus z from here, what will remain? Only y will remain, and we'll give the plus sign, and if we remove y plus z from this term, then only 9 will remain. So this is the required answer of sum number 6, and that's it for today's session. Thank you so much. God bless you all and take care.